राज्य सरकार बेगीनूच मोपा विमानतळाचे पुराय संचालन करपाचे तयारीत आसा. जाल्यार राज्य सरकार आनी इंडस्ट्रीज तातूंतल्यान मेळपी माल हाताळपाचे क्षमतेक घेवन आशावादी आसात. आयआयन आपल्या लॉजिस्टीक कॉन्फरन्सा वेळार मोपा विमानतळ राज्याक अर्थीक मजत करतलो अशें सांगलें. पूण रस्त्याचे नेटवर्क आनी दर्जो सुदारचो पडटलो अशेंय म्हटलें.
आयआयन लॉजिस्टीक कॉन्फरन्सा वेळार सांगलें की मोपा विमानतळ राज्याक चड आर्थीक माल येरादारी खातीर उक्ती करतली. हवाई मार्गान निर्यात करपा खातीर आदी माल मुंबय व्हरचो पडलो जाल्यार मोपांतल्यानच थेट निर्यात करपाक परवानगी दितले. पूण माल येरादारी खातीर राज्यांतले रस्ते सुदारचे पडटले अशें आयआयन सांगलें. मोपा वांगडा राज्या भितर चड जड वाहनां चडशे वेळ चलतली म्हण रस्त्याच्या नेटवर्काचें काम करपाची गरज आसा. आयकात.
The issue is also to be addressed. I mean, we're not focusing on roads as such, but I mean that's within the purview, and definitely what we've seen is that the state government does take initiatives on road development. That's within their purview. Definitely there is scope for road improvement as well. I mean, what's happening right now is the national highway development. That's a big step, but after that, other roads need to be improved. And we had he was the chairman of GIDC came.
Yeah.
So we had interaction with him, and we mentioned about the road access to some of the industrial estates and so on. So the government is aware of these issues, but they take time to act.
I mean, at least on our part, I think, especially in our member interaction and state council meetings, we've been inviting Secretary Industries, Chairman ITB, Chairman GIDCs, and we have surfaced all these issues, and it's something ongoing that we do continue.
I think since the MOPA is going to come, there will be more load on the roads.
Yeah, so I think as far as
without solving out the roads problem, how are we going?
So I think as far as we have been given to understand, the government is also looking at public transport. Possibly what we've heard is ride sharing, mass transit, a lot of things. So I think if we can clear a lot of the passenger traffic off the road, then I think it will help a lot of cargo movements. But unfortunately, that's not something that we can really influence. It's up to the government how they're going to look at the transport aspect. Because until and unless we ease the passenger burden on the road, it's going to be an issue for cargo.
No, I mean, I don't know if you've noticed from the program, we have a special address by one of the senior officers from Konkan Railway. So that would be an interesting address, which I'd like people to come and listen to. And they will be talking about the initiatives that Konkan Railway is taking in terms of freight and logistics enhancement.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.